In this video we will show you how to heal cracked skin. Cracked skin happens usually when our skin becomes way too dry. As our skin dries, it loses flexibility and the pressure of everyday use causes it to crack. These cracks can be painful, but they're also a giant beacon for infections. It's important to treat cracked skin before you end up with a much more serious health problem. Part 1: Treating the skin. 1. Check for infections. You should start by checking for signs of infection. If the area is swollen, releasing pus or blood, or is very tender and painful, you should go immediately to your doctor or local health clinic. Skin cracks are very prone to infection, and these infections require professional treatment. If you do not have health insurance, and you live in the US, go to the official listing of clinics for low-income individuals. You should be able to find a clinic which will scale your bill to the amount of money you have available. 2. Soak your skin with a disinfectant. Start treatment of basic cracks by soaking your skin. Sanitize a bowl, bucket, or tub and then fill it with warm, not hot, water. You'll then want to pour in a little apple cider vinegar to help disinfect your skin. Use about 1 cup per gallon of water. Disinfecting will help cut down on chances for the cracks to become infected. 3. Gently exfoliate. Using a clean washcloth, gently rub the affected area. This will remove dead skin cells and allows the products you'll place on your skin to absorb better. Be sure to be gentle and that the washcloth you use is clean. Once you've healed the cracks, you can use more aggressive forms of exfoliating, but this should not be done more than once a week. Your skin is sensitive and needs to be treated carefully. 4. Apply a layer of moisturizer. Give your skin a final rinse and then apply a layer of moisturizer. You'll want to lock in the moisture that your skin received with the soak, or else you risk drying out your skin even more. We recommend a lanolin product, but you'll find other recommendations in the next section. 5. Apply wet dressings overnight. If you have time, such as if you can treat your skin overnight or on a weekend, wet dressings may help heal the skin and can at least provide you with greater comfort. Wet dressings consist of a moist layer of fabric covered by a dry layer. So, for example, let's say your feet are cracked. Wet a pair of socks and then wring them so they don't drip. Put those on and then cover with dry socks. Sleep like this overnight. It is important not to do this if you suspect the cracks are infected, since this can make the infection worse. 6. Apply bandages during the day. For treatment during the day, fill the cracks with liquid or gel bandage product, or at least with an antibiotic product like Neosporin. You can then cover the area with a protective cotton surgical pad and wrap with gauze. This should reduce pain and speed up the healing process. 7. Keep the area clean and protected until the cracks heal. Now you just have to be patient while the cracks heal. Be sure to keep the affected area clean and covered, to prevent further irritation. If the cracks are on your feet, wear socks which are clean and change them at least once, if not twice, a day until the cracks heal. If the cracks are on your hands, wear gloves when you're outside and for activities like washing dishes. Part 2: Maintaining moisture. 1. Make a long-term moisturizing routine. Once you've started to heal the cracks in your skin, your best bet is to start a long-term routine to prevent more cracks. Unfortunately, this is a skin problem that is better to focus on preventing than on fixing once it occurs. Whatever moisturizing routine you use, just make sure that it's something you can keep up long-term and use regularly, since this is the best way to prevent future issues. 2. Find a lanolin cream. Lanolin, which is a wax-like substance made from wool-producing animals, is nature's best way of protecting skin. Used consistently, you should be able to apply it every other day or every third day and still see the same soft skin. When you first start using it, apply it liberally at night and give it time to soak into your skin. Bag Balm is the most common brand of lanolin product in the US and can be found at most drug stores. 3. Look for the right ingredients in other moisturizers. If not using lanolin, You'll want to analyze what moisturizing products you do buy. You'll want products with the right kinds of ingredients, to guarantee that you get the right effect. Many moisturizers will include lots of natural, healthy-sounding ingredients, but they won't actually help your skin very much. You'll want to instead look for these in the ingredients list. Humectants, which draw moisture into your skin. Examples include glycerin and lactic acid. Emollients, which protect your skin. Examples include lanolin, urea, and silicone oils. 4. Apply a light layer directly after bathing or soaking. Every time you bath or expose your cracked skin to water, you're washing away natural oils which protect your skin. Apply at least a light level of moisturizer after every shower, as well as any time you soak your feet. 5. Apply a thick layer of moisturizer at night. If you can, apply a thick layer of moisturizer before going to bed at night. This will give your feet time to really soak all of that healing product in while making sure that you're not bothered by the squishy skin. Cover your skin thickly in moisturizer and then put on a layer to protect the moisturizer while it soaks in. If the cracks are on your feet, use socks. If the cracks are on your hands, use gloves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.